Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something that's crucial for AI models to perform accurately, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly and simply. Let's start by breaking this down. In AI, a model is like a brain. It's trained to recognize patterns and make decisions based on the data it's given. Now, for a model to be effective, it needs more than just raw data. It needs context. So what do we mean by context? Context refers to the additional information that helps the model understand a situation more accurately. For example, imagine an AI system recommending products on a shopping website. It could recommend a random product, or it could consider things like your previous purchases, your preferences, and even the season of the year. This is where the Model Context Protocol comes in. MCP is a set of rules or guidelines that help models incorporate relevant context into their decision-making process. Here's how it works. The MCP allows the model to gather important details that could impact its performance. It could be contextual information like time, location, past behavior, or even external factors like weather or trends. Without context, models may give irrelevant or incorrect responses, but with the right context, the model can deliver more relevant, accurate, and personalized results. Take a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa as an example. If you ask them, "What's the weather?" the context includes your location. Without that, the assistant might give you a general answer, not tailored to where you actually are. Context also helps with improving adaptability. The more context a model has, the better it can adjust to new or changing situations. For instance, if you're in a different city or using a new device, the AI can still provide meaningful results based on the current context. And there's also the issue of scalability. As systems grow and collect more data, being able to use context efficiently means the AI can scale without losing quality in its responses. In conclusion, the Model Context Protocol is essential for making AI systems smarter and more human-like. It ensures that models not only understand data, but also the context surrounding it, leading to better performance and more meaningful interactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.